Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Be a Good Person belt bag. So it's kind of like the Lululemon EBB, but I'm not cool enough to wear that. So I got this other brand, Be a Good Person, good motto for life, you know. And this is their version of the belt bag. Cool. Has some good pockets. Gonna be used for storing my essentials. Oh, and there's a back pocket. What is this? Oh. Cool. Cat likes it. All right. That's it. Hope you all like it. Let me know what you think of this in the comments, and I'll let you know how I like it when I start using it. All right, hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.